today's problem is in two triangles ABC and PQR, sin A equal to sin B, then we have to prove that angle A equal to angle P. See, I can't say it is a simple problem because so many things you need to remember, and it is also connection problem. It is a connection, combination of trigonometry and similar triangles. So unless you know the concept of similar triangles, you cannot prove this. Okay. So before begin this problem, I want to explain about similar triangles, because here what we have to prove, angle A equal to angle P, this A equal to this P. Two angles of different triangles should be equal. So we have to compare these two triangles, and if we prove these two triangles are similar, we can conclude angle A and angle P are equal. So what are similar triangles? Two triangles are said to be similar if either their corresponding angles equal or corresponding sides should be proportional. Since here we have to prove two triangles similar, I am proving the second condition. What is that? Corresponding sides proportional. Proportional means same ratio. These two are corresponding. So ratio of AB PQ equal to ratio of BC and QR equal to ratio of AC and PR. So this is what we have to prove. This is our first target. If we prove these three ratios are equal, we can say these two triangles are similar. Once we get these two triangles are similar, we can take corresponding angles are equal. That is angle A equal to angle P. But how to prove corresponding sides proportional? Use this condition. What is given? Sin A equal to sin P. And what we have to prove, required to prove, is angle A equal to angle P. So from given condition, write the ratio of sine with respect to A. What is sine ratio? Opposite by hypotenuse. So sine A equal to hypotenuse. So BC by AC. And in this triangle, what is sine P? Opposite QR by PR. Okay, QR by PR. So I am taking this is equation. No. See, BC by AC equal to QR by PR. But BC by QR equal to AC by PR. So to get this, I am rewriting this by cross multiplication. BC by QR. Bringing this side. And AC by PR. We got two ratios are equal. That is BC by QR equal to AC by PR. To prove these three ratios are equal, we have to prove this AB by PQ is also equal to this. Okay. So to prove AB by PQ equal to these two ratios, I am considering AB by PQ first. AB by PQ equal to. See, what is AB by PQ? From this triangle, AB, I want to write this AB and PQ in terms of BC and QR. So from Pythagoras theorem, this square equal to this square minus this square, since square of hypotenuse equal to square of the sum of the squares of other two sides. So AB square equal to what? This square minus this square, AC square minus BC square. And here also PQ square equal to how much? PR square minus PR square minus QR square. Now substitute. In place of AB, I am writing under root of, take this square that side, transposing square that side, AC square minus BC square under root. I am not taking the square. Next, what is PQ? PR square minus QR square under root. Next, here BC by AC equal to QR by PR. If I take these two ratios equal to some value K, we can write BC in terms of AC. BC by AC equal to K. Then BC equal to K into AC. This one take, that's it. Here I am writing BC by AC equal to K. So what is BC? K into AC. Then what is BC square? K square into AC square. So here AB by PQ equal to AC square minus, because we have to prove in terms of AC and PR, AC square minus, in place of BC square, write K into AC whole square, K square AC square. Similarly, in place of QR, write K into PR. So PR square minus K into PR whole square is K square into PR square. Under root. Next, take AC square common, we get 1 minus K square. In the denominator, PR square common, 1 minus K square. Under root. So AC by PR. AB by PQ equal to, we got AC by PR. Take this equation 2. See, from 1 and 2, here AB by PQ. AB by PQ, we got AC by PR. But what is AC by PR? That is equal to BC by QR. So from equation 1 and 2, all the three ratios are equal. From equation 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, AB by PR, PQ equal to AC by PR equal to, this AC by PR equal to BC by QR. BC by QR. See, we got these three ratios are equal. So what we can see? The corresponding sides of these two triangles are proportional. So implies triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So their corresponding angles also equal. Here angle A and angle P are corresponding. So angle A equal to angle P. Okay. So to prove angle A and angle P are equal, I proved these two triangles are similar. To prove two triangles are similar, our first target is proving corresponding sides proportional. That means the corresponding ratios are equal. So from given condition, we'll get these two ratios equal. Next, by taking this ratio and writing in terms of BC and AC, we'll get AB by PQ equal to AC by PR. So from the two equations, all the three ratios will be equal. So what are the things you need to remember? You have to take this ratio equal to some value and definition of similar triangles and ratio of trigonometry. Okay. So you need more practice to remember this problem. So first take the given condition and what is required to prove. Next, using the condition, prove these two ratios are equal. By taking the third ratio and by simplifying this, you will get this is also equal to AC by PR. From two equations, you can conclude two triangles are similar and their corresponding angles are equal. Next, in the next problem, we'll prove if cos A equal to cos B, then A equal to B. Or if cos A equal to cos X, then angle A equal to angle X. Thank you.